We're gonna put Google AI Studio and ChatGPT on a test to see who gives the best recipes. Let's start. So I have, uh, these strawberries. I have some bananas, and this is cinnamon. I want to ask Google. I want to use Google AI Studio to tell me. So this is what I'm gonna do. It says show Gemini. Then I'm gonna allow.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I don't know if you can see, but over here I have something. Can you see them?
Yes, I can see a container of strawberries and a small child's hand. The child picks up a strawberry from the container. Is there something specific you would like to discuss about the video?
No, can you see this one? What is this? What can you see?
Yes, I see the container of strawberries in the video, and there is also a banana behind them.
Okay, can you see this one? This is a jar. It has
I can
cinnamon.
see a close-up of a container filled with red straw. Yes. Yes, I see a bunch of bananas. Also, there's a jar of cinnamon next to them. Do you have any other questions about what's in the video?
So I want to make a recipe. What can I make using the ingredient that you have seen? You say you saw strawberries, bananas, and I have some cinnamon powder.
Okay, based on the video, you could make a fruit smoothie with the strawberries and bananas. Ideas for how to make a fruit salad?
No, I want you to start before I do. Can you repeat what you said? What recipes can we make?
You mentioned wanting me to tell you what recipes you could make with the ingredients seen in the video before you began.
Yeah,
You also asked me to repeat the recipe ideas I gave you.
yeah,
Did I understand you correctly?
yeah.
Okay, so besides a simple fruit salad, you could make a smoothie with the strawberries and bananas and add some cinnamon. You could also make a banana bread and add the strawberries for some extra flavor. Or you could make a compote using the strawberries, which is a fruit sauce. Does any of that sound good?
So I want to make something with smoothie, and can you tell me? Like I said, you are seeing here. You said you saw strawberries, cinnamon powder, and bananas. Can you tell me step by step what should I start with? How should I do it?
Okay, let's make a smoothie using the ingredients in the video. First, wash the strawberries and remove the green stems. Then,
Okay.
peel the bananas. Next,
Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead.
okay. Alright, next peel the bananas and break them into smaller pieces. Then, put the strawberries, bananas, and a dash of cinnamon into a blender and blend until smooth. Would you like any other smoothie recipe ideas?
No, thank you for now. So according to Google AI, it told me to first wash them, which is something awesome. To remove the green part and wash my strawberries, and I should chop into halves, and then also the bananas, and then just combine everything and blend, and that is a smoothie. That's what Google AI said. Okay, so I'm on ChatGPT interface, and I'm gonna upload the photo there. So I'm gonna start with this one, and then ask, what do you see? What is this? What is this? Okay. It says this is an image of fresh strawberries placed on a wooden cutting board. The strawberries appear to be freshly washed with some showing a mix of red and white coloring. A banana is partially visible on the left side of the image. Let me know. Okay, I'm gonna add the other photo and then ask, this is there. I'm gonna ask, what about this one? What about this? This is an image, glass jar containing a reddish brown powder or granulated substance. The texture suggests it could be a spice, seasoning, or ground food such as ground chili, paprika, coffee, or tea granules. A wooden cutting board. Okay, I think I'm gonna tell it this is it doesn't know exactly what is this. I'm gonna say this is a cinnamon powder. Okay, so ChatGPT cannot really tell you what the ingredients, if they are actually spices. That's what I have seen. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the next file, not file, but the next photo, which are banana. What about this? And then I'm gonna go ahead and tell it what can we make from all the photos I have sent. Let's see if ChatGPT gonna give us, based on the photos you have sent, cinnamon powder and ripe bananas, you can make some delicious it is forgetting that I also sent strawberries. Now that you have banana, cinnamon powder and strawberries, here are some delicious recipe. You can make strawberry banana smoothie with cinnamon. Ingredient: strawberry, bananas, milk or yogurt, plant-based milk, honey optional, cinnamon powder. Wow, that's ingredient. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe method: blend everything together for a creamy and refreshing smoothie. That's awesome. Another one that ChatGPT has given me is strawberry banana oatmeal with cinnamon. Ingredients: cooked oats, sliced strawberries, sliced banana and cinnamon powder. Wow, and honey. That's amazing. But I don't have oats right now. Cinnamon banana strawberry pancakes. Wow, that's amazing. But I don't want to make banana pancake right now. So it says mashed bananas, chopped strawberries, flour, eggs, milk, cinnamon powder, baking powder. Method: make pancake batter, cook and enjoy the natural. Okay, baked banana and strawberry with cinnamon. Wow, banana, strawberries, cinnamon powder, honey butter. Slice the banana and strawberries, sprinkle cinnamon, drizzle honey, and bake until caramelized. Wow, this one, the number 4 looks amazing. We can try, but not now. Strawberry. If I compare the ingredients ChatGPT gave me and the ingredients Google Studio AI gave me, they are very almost similar but with different instruction. Google gave me generic, like just do this. But ChatGPT, funny enough, or maybe incredibly, it has given me a lot of more ideas to actually make or what we can make using the ingredient that I actually showed it. We have bananas, we have strawberries and cinnamon. So let's do what ChatGPT has told us. I have all the ingredients and what I gave ChatGPT. So we have strawberries, we have cinnamon, we have our bananas. We're gonna first chop them. First I already washed the strawberries. I'm gonna just remove this part because I think that's the part that is needed. Then I'm gonna put here. ChatGPT also told us to add in milk, so I'm gonna just chop this one. So we're gonna add in, first I'm gonna add in the cinnamon, and then optional, add in honey. I'm gonna scoop honey and add in. After that I'm gonna add in the milk. Okay, 1 glass of milk, and then I'm gonna blend everything. Also going to add in strawberry. There we have our smoothie.
Şimdi anne. Biz markete gidiyoruz.
I'm gonna sprinkle some little bit of cinnamon.
Mami ya. Kaydı. Hadi be. Hadi be.
There we have. Think about. Close your eyes. Adrian, close your eyes. Open.
Wow.
Did you like the surprise? Okay. Good. And don't make a mess, okay? Mustafa. Before babani. Boseni. Did you like it? Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Mustafa, did you like it? How is it? Yummy. Okay, I'll take this for babani. Sonra come back, okay?